candidates, are you ready? Ready na daw sila, Ma'am Jo. As I call your number, please come in front and pick a number. Para yun yung question mo. Let's start with candidate number 1. Nasaan yung manghiwagang box natin?
With numbers.
Ay, Spin. Ay, kay Spain. Barangay Spain. Miss Passport. Ma'am Jo, interviewin muna natin ang ating candidate number 1 pangpatanggal ng kanyang nervyos bago ko basahin ang kanyang question.
Okay, candidate number 1. Ikaw ba'y kinakabahan ngayon?
Not that kind of slide. Medyo lang.
Medyo lang. So, what number or what questions?
Question number 3. Are you ready, candidate number 1? Here is your question. How do you define beauty? And how do you embody it?
So, thank you for the wonderful question, Miss. So, well, beauty, without further ado, beauty is this kind of, you take actions without, if you don't have a kindness, beauty is going to fade, right? So, for me, beauty with compassion and kindness is more crucial, and defining the beauty words is that if your kindness and you taking actions to good towards to others, because beauty, I believe, because beauty is what we have, this kindness, compassion, and helping others. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Meron sanang tagahawak ng isang mic.
And now let's have candidate number 2.
Ready na ba ang candidate number 2?
Kinakabahan ba ang ating candidate number 2 ngayon?
Medyo lang po.
O, maganda na yung medyo, wag lang yung sobra, no?
Hindi natin ma-open, Ma'am, yung mga question. Tayo yata ang nane-nervyos.
Inhale, exhale. So this is your question. How do you plan to use your title to make a positive impact in the community? Maaari natin in Filipino or English? Sa Filipino. Do you want to read that? English.
Just repeat it, ma'am.
Okay, I repeat the question in English. How do you plan to use your title to make a positive impact in the community?
Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am.
If I had given a chance to hold the title, I will use my voice to be the voice of the youths, to voice to be the voice to those voiceless youths, and I want to help them to express themselves and to boost everyone's confidence, because in this kind of generation, I know that a lot of my kind of like teenagers facing difference discrimination, and they have a lot of confidence, and that's why I will use my title to be their voice, their confidence. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Yan. Pagsasali ka nga ng beauty pageant, talagang mapapalabas mo ang talino sa pagsagot.
And now, candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, this is your question. Hindi ko kasi ma-open talaga. What is the most important lesson you have learned from your family? I repeat, what is the most important lesson you have learned from your family?
Ang pinaka-importanteng lesson na natutunan ko sa aking pamilya ay ang pagiging respetado sa isa't isa. Dahil kung wala kayong respeto sa isa't isa, ay magkakaroon kayo ng buhol-buhol na pamilya.
Go, Thea. Nagiging emotional kasi yung ating candidate number 3.
Pinipili ko ang word na respeto dahil kung ano man ang maling nagawa ng isa sa miyembro ng pamilya nyo ay tatanggapin nyo pa rin dahil wala kang magagawa. Dahil wala po akong magagawa dahil isa ako sa isang babaeng anak nila at wala po akong karapatan na bastusin sila na hindi sila irespeto dahil sila po ang nagpaanak sa akin. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3.
And now let's have candidate number 4. Okay, this is your question, candidate number 4. If you could change one thing about your community, what would it be and why? Again, if you could change one thing about your community, what would it be and why?
Siguro po, mabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon na may bago sa aming komunidad. Siguro po, yung ano po, kung paano po sila magbigay ng liga. I mean sa liga po kasi nakatutok only sila sa mga physical na nakagawa, which means like basketball, volleyball, badminton, like that. I think
isa po sa kailangan din ng komunidad namin ay magkaroon ng sa mental po, like magkaroon ng mga aktibidad para sa mga bata, sa aming mga kabataan tungkol sa eskwela, tulad ng pagbabasa, mga aktibidad na makakatulong sa amin para sa aming pag-aaral. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
Next candidate, number 5. Okay, na candidate number 5, this is your question. What do you hope to achieve during your reign as Binibini Naganakan 2024? What do you hope to achieve during your reign as Binibini Naganakan 2024?
Can you repeat please po? Last one po.
Okay, in Tagalog. Ano ang inaasahan mong makamtan habang ikaw ay nasa kapangyarihan bilang Binibini Naganakan 2024?
Thank you po. Ano po ba yung inaasahan kong makamtan habang ako'y nagjo-join pa lang po dito sa Binibining Naganakan? Ang nais ko pong makamtan ay magkaroon po ng patas na laban at magkaroon po ng patas na laban, walang lagay-lagay, wala. At ang nais ko rin pong makamtan ay dahil sa ang pagsali ko po dito sa Binibining Naganakan ay manalo. Yun po ang aking kinakamtan at yun lang po ang aking hangad, magkaroon po ng patas na laban. And I love you all!
Thank you very much, candidate number 5.
And now let's have candidate number 6. Kapag nandito po kayo sa harap, talagang mapapawaw kayo sa ang gaganda nila.
Ang gagaling pa nila, Ma'am Jo.
So, candidate number 6, here is your question. Are you ready? In what ways can we encourage unity and cooperation among barangay residents? Again, in what ways can we encourage unity and cooperation among barangay residents? In what ways can we encourage unity and cooperation among barangay residents?
Thank you for that wonderful question. So, I encourage my kabarangay Naganakan to tulong-tulong us sa mga nangyayari dito tulad na paglinis ng kapaligiran, kung gusto nating mapanatili, may panatiling malinis ang ating kapaligiran at mabuhay tayo ng naayon sa nararapat. Magtulong-tulong tayo para maiahon natin ang ating gustong may patubad. At kapag nangyari yon, ay mas matutulungan pa natin ang ating barangay sa may papa tupad natin dito.